Hey, family. Look, a lot of times I'm hearing people saying right now because there's a real estate shortage right now. There's not a lot of inventory that's out here, and also known as a seller's market. And so sometimes for buyers, it could be a little challenging going through the process of trying to find that right house. And by the time you find the house that you fall in love with, somebody else is bidding on it at the same time, and you have multiple offers coming in. It could be a little challenging for a buyer. And so I have heard some buyers say, and along the way here, that maybe I'll just wait. I'll wait till the market cool down. I'll wait till it becomes a buyer's market. I'll wait. I'll wait. I'll wait. Now I hear that type of thing from time to time, and I wanted to just kind of really just kind of touch base on that because it's really putting people in a detriment. There's been some people that I've talked to, maybe 2, 3 years ago that say, what, I'm gonna just wait, save up more money. I'm gonna pay off some credit cards. Maybe it'll be about an inventory. And so then they come back to me now and saying, I finally got these cards paid off. I got some down payment saved. You told me 2 years ago I was going to need this amount of money, and now they finally need more money compared to what they needed a couple of years ago. Now they're finding that last year or year before they qualified for X amount of house, they still qualify for the same amount of mortgage, but now they're getting less house. That same house is now more expensive. And some of the reasoning that this is happening is that house values go up every year, pretty much every year. I've been in this industry for 30 years at this point, over 30 years actually at this point. And there's only been a couple of years where I saw prices come down a little bit, but then they just skyrocketed back up right after that. So over time, historically, house values go up. And then one of the things that also happens is when we have, when the economy is kind of a little rough like it is, you have the inflation rate going up kind of high. That also makes house prices go up really high as well. Because what's happening is your cash value is reducing, and so people need to actually be able to put their money into something that's going to grow. And real estate is the thing to do that. But maybe I might do that on another video to kind of share that with you. But for right now, should I wait to buy? I'm just going to kind of run some numbers here, um, just so you can kind of see this for yourself. And so the median house price right now in the Richmond, Virginia area is right at $380,000. And so again, that number has been going up drastically over the past few years. And let's say that we were only doing let's say a 5% down. Now keep in mind that there are some mortgages out there where it's zero down payment. There are some out there with a 20% down payment. Just so it's going to depend on you and which type of loan you choose to work with. Be comfortable reaching out to me. I can help you walk through some of the different loans because it's hundreds of loan programs out there. Right now, rates are somewhere around the 7.1%. But again, that's depending on what day you connect with the lender, that might be a little different. Now, over the for 2023 for the Richmond, Virginia marketplace, the average price increase was 13.35% increase in a year. My prediction for this year is maybe 7.7 is actually what I came up with, but 7.7, maybe an 8% increase in values. And so what I'm going to maybe just key in here is I'll just key in 7. Maybe I'm a little wrong. Well, I'll do 7.5, I guess. 7.5% increase over the next 12 months. And rates have been kind of increasing a bit as well. And so I don't know what rates are going to be, but for right here, I'm just going to put in that there may be a 1% increase in rates. And as I'm hitting calculate, this is kind of working some numbers for me. And so let's take a look at this. So if you wait a year to actually purchase a house, what will that do for your financial picture? So sales price, if it goes up just at 7.5%, and again, keep in mind that downtown Richmond for 2023, it went up 23.1% in value. Oak Grove area went up 19.7% in value. So I'm just using a conservative 7.5% for right now. So that means a house that's right now priced at 380 Next year, this time might be at 408. 5% down, you can see you're going to need a lot more of a down payment that you're going to have to bring in. That's not your down, that's the loan amount, but the down payment amount would actually go up quite a bit as well. Interest rate going up. So check this out here. Monthly payment might be $448 extra in 12 months if you decide to wait 12 months compared to purchasing now. Over a 7-year period, that's $37,000 extra that you're paying. Over the 30-year period, that's an extra $161,000 extra that's coming out of pocket. So if at all possible, you want to purchase sooner rather than later for your own financial wealth over time. And so be comfortable reaching out to me. I can kind of help you walk through more specifically with your numbers, depending on what you're working with, how much of a down payment were you planning to do, and things of that sort. And we can get in a little bit more in depth with this as well. But please do not wait to purchase a house. It is not going to be a putting you in a better scenario. Is actually putting you further behind the marketplace the longer you wait. Be comfortable again reaching out to me. We can run through your personal scenarios, and hopefully this helps. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Enjoy.